there was a call from one of their friends, and she told Rupa, that is her mom, Teesta's mom, you know, do you realize that your answering machine has a song in it? So she said, no, because you don't listen to your own answering machine. And it turned out that Teesta had decided to change the message, and she decided to sing a little song in the answering machine for everybody to hear. And that's the song we are going to do for her today. Thank you.